Xiaomi 14 Ultra is set to make its global debut. Xiaomi has already revealed that the phone will be introduced on February 25th at the MWC event in Barcelona. And while we already have a fair idea of what to expect from this flagship, Xiaomi 14 Ultra also has a satellite communication option. This test was conducted in the uninhabited area of South China Sea. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra will pack a 6.73 120Hz AMOLED screen of 1440p resolution and 3000 nits peak brightness. It will have HDR10 Plus support and a fingerprint scanner. The device is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with a base frequency of 2.26 GHz. Xiaomi 14 Ultra will be available with LPDDR5X 16GB of RAM and 1TB storage and will boot Android 14, presumably, with Xiaomi HyperOS on top, and the device scored 9,317 single-core points and managed a 26,523 multi-core score. We have a big camera island with Leica branding housing flash modules and 4 50MP cameras. 50-megapixel LYT900 main camera with OIS, including an ultra-wide camera, a 3.2 AUX telephoto lens with OIS, and a 5x periscope telephoto camera. It will have a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. And here are some pictures sample shows you, short on Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Xiaomi 14 Ultra have a bigger 5300 mAh battery with 90W wired and 50W wireless charging support. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra will come in white and black colors with vegan leather backs and aluminum frames. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra's 16GB 512GB model will be priced at $1,499, $1,615 in R134 Yo 55 in France and probably some other European markets. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.